Here, a bunny.
Hey, what do you got there?
More Maggie.
What's in there, Abby?
See?
What is it?
See?
Candy.
Look at Maggie. Maggie.
And don't forget to tell her thank you when she's done.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Come on.
Oh, it's hollow. I like those ones.
Me too.
What else do you have in there? What's that brown thing? It's a bunny rabbit. Tell Grandma Joe thank you.
Thank you, Grandma Joe. Thank you, Joe.
Do you have a here, look. What's that?
Uh-oh. She dropped her candy.
You can do a video camera on that too?
That's what I'm doing right now, yeah.
Awesome.
What's this?
There.
No.
Bunny.
Hop, hop, hop. Here, Abby.
She's like, where's candy?
Here, Abby.
She says, bunny's nice, but I'm gonna need some sugar. Mmm.
Here you go.
Mmm.
Hey, put your glasses on. We'll take a picture.
Thank you, Grandma Joe. Thank you, Joe. I love you, Grandma Joe. Yeah. Okay, love king.
Yeah.
Bite it. It's got peanut butter in it.